you believe in a heaven?
Yes.
Okay, and what's it like there?
Ooh, haven't gone that far into thinking about it. I couldn't tell you that.
Who do you think gets to go to heaven?
Everyone, I would say.
What is heaven like? Well, I really don't know exactly what it's like, but in a sense, it is like for each individual, personal thing for every individual. As far as their life is concerned, as you live, you can make your own heaven.
Surrounded by your glory.
In your opinion, how do you get to heaven?
God chooses you, brings you to the light. Says, come on for me, I'm taking you up.
In your opinion, who gets to go to heaven?
People that's giving their life to Jesus and just doing right.
Do you believe in a hell?
Not really. I just believe that people that don't get to go to heaven, I really don't know where they'll be.
Do you believe in a heaven?
Yes.
Okay, in your opinion, what's it like?
Well, I guess it would be, I don't know, like the Bible says, made the streets of gold. And God take care of everybody, and everybody be happy.
How do you get there?
Well, but you better live a pretty good life.
Do you believe in heaven?
Sometimes.
What do you mean by sometimes?
I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's kind of depending on the day I'm having. Sometimes, yeah, I'll believe it. Sometimes I won't.
In your opinion, who gets to go to heaven?
I don't know. Who am I to judge? No idea.
Do you believe in a heaven?
I believe in heaven. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
And what's it like there?
It's, I don't know.
Hard to say.
It's a good life. It's, there is no taxes. There is no dollars.
No money.
A lot of beautiful women. A lot of beautiful women.
Oh, thanks.
But not beautiful than my wife.
Do you believe in an afterlife?
Yes. Yes, and as a matter of fact, it seems to me that reincarnation, although I don't really subscribe to that, but that makes a lot of sense. It's recycling.
Do you believe in a heaven?
Sure. Oh, you're asking. You can of worms right here.
I wouldn't call it heaven. I believe something out there, sure.
And what's it like?
What's it like? Maybe, have you ever seen the movie Defending Your Life? It's sort of like a way station as you go on to some other life and where you kind of look back on what you did and see if you've learned or not, but it's not like a heaven.
Do you believe in a hell?
Not really.
I can only imagine when all I would do is forever worship you.